Glow naturally with our herbal Ubtan powder face wash. A centuries old beauty ritual now in your hands. Learn to make Ubtan powder face wash in our step by step tutorial. Unlock the exclusive skincare secrets with our paid tutorial. Learn, create, and glow naturally. Welcome to Terra Naturals. In this tutorial video, let's see how to make Ubtan powder face wash along with other face washes using Ubtan powder face wash. Experience the natural glow of our Ubtan powder face wash enriched with over 22 herbs and 30% arrowroot powder for gentle cleansing, brightening and nourishing your skin. Our Ubtan powder face wash made with 22 powerful herbs deeply cleanses and nourishes the skin. Jatamansi soothes, Nannari cools, Davanam refreshes, Maruvu tones, Rose hydrates, Amla provides antioxidants, Vetiver calms, Avarampu brightens, Diravya purifies, Magirampu softens, Kore Kidangu controls oil, Carboga rice smoothens, Orange peel exfoliates, Harita Manjari rejuvenates, Manjishta detoxifies, Ashwagandha boosts collagen, Sandalwood soothes, and red sandalwood enhances glow, leaving your skin naturally radiant and healthy. Some herbal powder face washes using Ubtan powder face wash as a base. Charcoal powder face wash with Ubtan as a base deeply cleanses the skin, removes excess oil, unclogs pores, and detoxifies, making it ideal for oily and acne prone skin. Add 20% of activated charcoal powder with 80% of Ubtan powder face wash and give a nice mix. Lavender essential oil, few drops to it. Note: essential oils are optional. The charcoal powder face wash is ready. Bottle it in an airtight container and use it. Hibiscus Rose Powder Cleansing Face Wash. A luxurious blend of finely milled hibiscus and rose. The subtle floral fragrance of rose provides aromatherapy benefits, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. The finely ground texture of rose powder helps to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Rose powder contains anti-inflammatory compound. It has natural emollient properties rich in antioxidants. Coming to hibiscus powder, packed with antioxidants, a natural exfoliator, and has natural emollient properties. Hibiscus is known to enhance the skin's elasticity by promoting the production of collagen, which can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Incorporating hibiscus powder and rose powder into your skincare routine can contribute to a refreshed and rejuvenated complexion, make it suitable for various skin types. Add 20% of hibiscus and rose powder into 80% of Ubtan powder face wash. The rose hibiscus powder face wash is ready. You can create your own powder face washes based on your skin type by customizing the Ubtan base with herbs like neem for acne, hibiscus for brightening, rice for exfoliation, and aloe vera for hydration.